This is a quick video on how to make buttercream icing. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a cup of butter, or I actually prefer margarine, so that's what I'm using, but if you want to do authentic buttercream, then use butter. You get a cup and you lightly melt it, like I did here. You can see that there's still some margarine that is not melted yet. And then you're going to take 3 cups of icing sugar and just dump it in there. And then you're going to mix it thoroughly. And it'll probably get hard doing this with only one hand, so I will stop recording and start recording again once I'm done mixing it. Okay, once you have all that mixed up, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cream, so just like whipped cream, and you're going to mix that thoroughly in. Once you've mixed the cream in, what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 teaspoon of whatever flavoring you want. I'm going to be making some macaroons with this icing, so I'm actually going to split it into 3 portions, and I'm going to add 1/3 of a teaspoon into each of those thirds, and then I can have multiple flavors of icing for the 3 types of macaroons that I'm going to be making. So that's how you make buttercream icing.